In this video, we will learn about C# LINQ set operators, namely distinct, union, intersect, and except. So to understand the operators, let's see how we can do it in SQL Server. So in SQL Server, let's say you are doing a table, right? So let's say you are doing a select star from product. So here we will just take a column called color, right? Maybe here. So what we will do, I will just say color from product. So I'm getting all the colors. So now how the distinct will work is I can say select distinct color from production dot product. So you can see I'm getting all my colors that are unique, right? So that I can know how many distinct colors I have. Now how do we do that in C sharp? So to do that, we will create a variable, and I'm going to say this dot db context dot product. Here, since we are interested in the color, so we will say dot select, and x goes to new x dot color. Okay, and then what we will do, we will say this will give me all the colors, right? So let's quickly check that on that as well. So if I run this, so you can see we have got all the colors irrespective of whether it's null or repeated. So now in order to do a distinct for this, all that we have to do, so in order to do the distinct, we will say dot distinct, and now we will see what happens. Now you can see the data that we are getting is matching with what we got in the SQL Server. So this is about our distinct operator. So next we will look at union. So to do the union, what we will do, we will just remove this. Let's say we create two parameters, right? Data one is equal to this dot db context dot product dot take 10. Now similarly, where data 2 is equal to dot skip 10 dot take 10. So here we are having two data sets. One is the first 10 records. The second variable has second set of records. Now we will see how we can create like combine those two using union. So where data is equal to data 1 dot union data 2 dot to list. So this should give you my output, which will be the combine of both the variables, data 1 and data 2. So you can see here we have got the record, which is like a union of two variables. Now that we learned about union, we will see how to do the intersect. So intersect, what it will do, it will take two variables, and then whatever is the common, it will create a object from that. So to do that, let's say I just skip 5 records here, so that like I have first 10 records in my first variable, then from fifth record to the 15th record is there in my second variable. So now when I do intersect here, so this should give me the 5 records in between that were overlapping between the two variables. So you can see here we have got a overlapping data. Now what is the next, right? Next is accept. So accept will take two variable, and then it will give me a difference, right? So whichever is not present in data 2, right, so it will remove those, right? Whatever is the common and whatever is there in data 2, if present in data 1, it will remove and just give me what is the difference. So you just use accept for that. So here you can see it did a difference of a D1 minus D2, right? Whatever the items that were in D2 that were in D1 has been removed. So it is basically doing the difference. So just to summarize, in this video, we try to learn about distinct, which will give us the unique variables. Then we talked about union, which will help us to combine, two data set. Then there is something called intersect, which will do a matching, right, between two collection. Whatever is the matching records, it will return. And then we also talked about except what it will do, it will do a diff, whatever is the common records in between two collections, it will remove, particularly the one that is from the second collection, and then it will return the first collection without the second collection. That's why it's called accept. Okay, so thank you, thanks everyone for watching this video, and I hope this was helpful.